So I'm at dance. It's Saturday. I have a competition tomorrow, which will be the majority of this video. And I'm filming right now because I will be waking up at like 6. No, I'll be at the competition at like 6:45. So I'll wake up at like 5:30 to be ready and get there. So it's not like I'm going to want to film that early in the morning. So I'll see when I catch up next.
That's all I'm saying. It's DJ Snake and Lil Jon. Turn down for what?
Turn down for what? Turn down for what? Turn down for what? We're going down, down in an earlier round. Sugar, we're going down swinging. I'll be your number one with a bullet. A loaded God complex, cocky and bullet. We're going down, down in an earlier round. And sugar, we're going down swinging. I'll be your number one with a bullet. A loaded God complex, cocky and bullet. We got our Starbucks. Oh yeah. Cake pops. What did you order?
Cotton candy.
Yeah, I really want to try that. I saw it on Lush Laws when they did the Starbucks challenge. I got a butterbeer frappuccino. Oh yeah, so what places are they? Second and sixth, and then first with my other dance. Oh yeah, first place. And now a beautiful butterbeer. Here they come! Whee! I feel like I'm gonna drop my phone.
Southwest Airlines heading to
Yeah, right.
Miami.
Oh, there they are. They're going down from that big smoke. 6 months.
And there's two right. Look out, birds!
The other plane way over there to the right. Yeah, way over there.
All right, everybody, duck.
Oh, that looks cool.
Dang, I missed it.
They had all those teachers, and it wasn't junior high, it was Little Ado. Now it's Reed. And they were all young because they opened high school in '52. And all those young teachers.
Selfie.
Oh, Hannah looks so bad.